Hello and welcome to our vlog. Since madalang mag-snow sa Shizuoka, nagpunta kami sa katabing prefecture, which is Yamanashi Prefecture. And one of the best tourist spots in Yamanashi is Kawaguchiko. One bus ride away lang siya from Mishima. And accessible din siya from Tokyo through the Shinjuku area. From Kawaguchiko kasi, marami ka ng options of things to do. You could go and ride the ropeway for a better view of Mount Fuji, the Five Lakes area, and the Oishi Park. Naswertehan din namin ni Wifey yung Winter Fireworks Festival. One train ride away from Kawaguchiko is Fuji Yoshida. Andito sa Fuji Yoshida yung famous Honcho Street that has a very good view of Mount Fuji, Fuji-Q Highland, and the Arakura Sengen Park.
Uy! What? Shit!
After around 300 plus steps ay babatiin ka ng magandang view ng Mount Fuji at ng town ng Fuji Yoshida. Meron ding temple sa baba where you could try your luck with the Omikuji at nagbebenta rin sila ng Lucky Charms. Crowded sa Honcho Street but we found this nice spot that offered the same view. Wifey also found this small cozy cafe where we had our coffee break. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga vlogs namin. Thank you! See you!